Using a 13mm socket, go ahead and remove our ground terminal nut here. I'll go ahead and spin the terminal loose, work that off and set it aside. Let's go ahead and loosen our positive terminal here. I'll go ahead and loosen and remove this here. Using an 8mm socket and extension, we're going to go ahead and remove this bolt here. This is our battery wedge or hold down block. Okay, to remove that, set that aside. Go ahead and grab our battery. Go ahead, lift it up, set it aside. Using your 15mm socket with ratchet, let's go ahead and move our tensioner to work our belt off. Use that same ratchet. Let's go ahead and remove the bolt. Remove the pulley. Get your washer and your bolt in there. Bring that down. Let's go ahead and get that bolt threaded in. Tighten that down. Let's go ahead and get your belt put on. And push that tensioner down. So go ahead and get your belt lined up. Release that tensioner. Make sure that your belt is lined up on all of the pulley grooves. Now we did remove our battery for this here. It's just going to give us that much more room to do this job. Let's go ahead and reinstall that battery. Let's lower our battery down in a position. Slide it over. Go ahead and position our battery hold down. Good there, line that up. Get our bolt drop down inside there. Now this wedge is designed just to hold your battery down into the tray. So once you feel that start to snug down, we're pretty much good where we need to be. Feels good there. I'm going to give our battery a good tug, and that is hold it good in place. Going to install our positive battery terminal. Let's go ahead and snug that down. Once we have that's tight, let's go ahead and grab our negative terminal, pop that on. Let's go ahead and tighten down this side. And once that snugs down, you're all set.